Kakain ako ng napakaanghang. Sa buo. Kaya.
Thanks for your help, guys. I was in big trouble here for you. And with no problem at all. My name is Quick. Nice to meet you.
So guys, nagawin niya ako guys. Nagawin niya ako. Hindi, bago lang kumain guys, pero nagawan nila ako. Nagawin niya ako. Bago lang akong kumain. Nagawan niya ako guys. Hello guys. Hoy, hoy. Hugasan mo ng cellphone ko na yung kanan. Guys, eto na.
Okay.
Hoy!
You guys.
Napakadamot naman. O, yun na o.
Take my life.
Napakadamot.
So I'd like to help you guys up here. All right. Then we're off to the Silver River. Let's go.
Kunin mo, gano'n na o. Hindi kami paraan eh, kunin mo. Kundi lang kasi. Dahil, di mo ba kaya? What?
It's amazing. But how do we get across it? It'll take us years to get across it. Don't you worry. I know the way. You do. There it is.
So, inaway niya ako, guys. So, guys, hindi ako nag-aaway. Sa kasi nagawan ako ng pagkain. Oh, kita mo na, pinapatay ka, guys. Yan. Oh, alam mo na? Yung nangyayari? Ang nangyari po ay inaway niya ako. Ang nangyayari po,